Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another project for the Gingerbread Christmas collaboration 2020 hosted by Poetspice, or I'm sorry, who's Jamie, who's Poetspice here on YouTube. Um, this is what, 4, 5, 6, 7? Is it 6? It's probably the sixth installment of the Gingerbread Christmas collaboration. I'll have everybody's links down below, so um, you can go check out their creations. So today I decided to play around with some stamps that I've had since last year, and I wanted to stamp them out and color them and embellish them a little bit and see what I can do with them. And I'm gonna show you which stamps I'm talking about, which I played with. You know, we buy things at Tuesday morning and online, and a lot of times, and I don't know if I'm the only one, but a lot of times I buy them and I just set them aside until I have time to play with them. So I am playing with this stamp set that I got at Tuesday morning. Been wanting to color him up, this one especially, because I love how the Santa looks. He looks vintage to me, and that is up my alley. I love anything vintage. So, and I used this stamp set that I got from Paper Sweeties. I think, I want to say Jill Norwood showed this in one of her videos, and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks like Ray Dunn's lettering. And I am not a fanatic of Ray Dunn, but I do like their mugs. I have not bought a lot of things but their mugs, and but I do love their lettering. So I wanted to play around with these, and this is what I created. So I stamped them out with some, what do you call it? No, it's not Memento ink. It's this ink here that I also got from Tuesday morning, which I absolutely love, and I wish I got like 4 pads of these, because I don't even know if they have reinkers for this. Anyway, so I stamped him out and I colored him up with my Copics, and as you can see, I need more practice on my coloring. I even colored the bag with some browns and some grays. I added snow text. I don't know if you can see it all that well, but it's this stuff that kind of looks like snow, and it hardens when it's dry. I don't know if it's hardened right now. So I added it to his jacket and to his hat, on his rim. He looks like a gnome to me, but he's Santa. And on the tippy top of his hat. So I really like how this turned out. And then I also inked the edges with Distress inks, and then I also used my Stampin' Up! Speckle stamp that I think Dawn H. Create started using it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have that same stamp set, and I watched her used it, and hey Dawn, I just love how the stamp looks, and I no wonder why I bought it. So I'm bussing this out more often so I can use it more. Um, and I just added it to the edge with I think it's walnut stain. Vintage photo kind of like in the background, and then I stamped it with walnut stain just to show it more. And then I stamped out Jolly from the Paper Sweeties set. And I'm going to place this either on a tag or on a card this year. So I did that one. And then I also did the um, snowman, and I used the stamps for the snow. I've also added, and you can't really see because it's really bright, that his earmuffs has some of that snow text as well. And I just colored him very lightly with some of my Copic colors. And I just love how he turned out, and I'm going to either put him on a card or add him to a tag. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making stuff to, to have ready for Christmas this year. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching all my videos. Oh my gosh, I am overwhelmed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will be back next Monday at 10 a.m. With another project. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.